Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question on less than 500 rating, which is get subscription. Okay, so the chef wants to conduct a lecture for which he needs to set up an online meeting of exactly X minutes. Okay, the meeting platform supports a meeting of maximum 30 minutes without the subscription, and the meeting unlimited duration with subscription. Determine the chef needs to take subscription or not. You just have to determine that if it is greater than 30, then chef needs to buy the subscription, and if it is not, then he would not buy the subscription. So you just have to check whether he has to buy the subscription or not. Okay, so there is a 40 there is 4 test cases given, and you just have to check 50 minutes. Okay, so there is given a 50 minutes. If it is greater, then yes, it is greater, so the chef needs to buy the subscription. And for 30, no, because the it is equals to the 30 minutes, so the chef does not have to buy any subscription. Okay, so let's do this. So let's do this. First you have to take the test cases, which is T and then C and T. Okay, and you have to check while T minus minus is greater than 0, and then you have to take input int x and Cn x. Okay, and you have to check if x is greater than 30, greater than or equal to 30. Sorry, it is not equals to. Then you just have to buy the subscription and you have to print yes. And if it is not, then you just have to see out no. Okay, so I hope you understand the basic understanding. If it is 30 or greater than 30, then not greater than, then you just have to print yes. Okay, if it is greater than 30, if it is greater than 30, then you have to print yes. And if x is less than equals to 30, then you just have to print no subscription buy. Okay, and yes, subscription required if it is greater than 30. Okay, so let's do this in this code. So let's create int x, int t, and then cn t. Okay, while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to do int x and then cn x, and again you just have to check if x is greater than 30. If it is greater than 30, then of course he has to buy it. Okay, yes, else see out. You just have to do see out. So let's run this code. Yeah, I guess this code works fine. Yeah, let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.